Today, the special meeting was convened by the Collectorate South Goa at the request of the District Task Force on Tobacco Control to look into the issue of the entry and sale of illicit foreign cigarettes. It has been found that a large number of foreign cigarettes violating the COTPA sections of health warnings, not even displaying the MRP, which is a violation of package commodity rules, have been blatantly being sold in South Goa. And we had raised this matter to the collector, and for that purpose today's special meeting was called of various agencies. For example, Transport Department, Central Excise and Customs, Goa Excise, Commercial Taxes, Railway Protection Force, Airport Authority of India, Kadamba Transport Corporation, Civil Supplies, Legal Metrology. So all these agencies were called today to discuss what is the problem and how it can be tackled. And one good decision has been taken that a 2-month period, that is from 15 November to 15 January, 2-month period for sensitization and enforcement will be taken up by all agencies together, so that we can have a better understanding of this problem. We are concerned because these tourists consume these cigarettes, yes, but we have found many of these cigarette packets are now being sold outside the schools, and this is being sold at a cheaper rate. Therefore, it is exposed to children. And our concern is that if this kind of thing carries on, it is detrimental to the health of